Hello guys, this is Ray here once again from shortcrashcourse.com, and in today's video we're going to be talking about WordPress difference between actions and filter. So basically this is a core term in WordPress for the core developers, for WordPress developers. So basically it's used when writing code, the core code on your WordPress theme or plugins or whatever you're trying to build, or even in a core file. So now the difference between actions and filter in WordPress. So basically, actions are when you're trying to write a new code, like trying to add something new on your WordPress core file, maybe like a CSS or a JavaScript. But filter on the other side is when you're trying to modify an existing code. Okay, so let's check something here. So actions are used to run custom functions at a specific point during the execution of WordPress code, while filters on the other side are used to modify or customize data used by other functions. So let's go further and break it down. So let's go to Stack Overflow here. So action, doing new things, example, adding CSS and JS. Filter, doing something which is already in WordPress, adding or removing some new things. Assume adding some text and a post content. It means doing something with WordPress. So you see here, what we have here, add filter, string tag, callable function to add, int, priority is equals to 10, int accepted ask is equals to 1. Then on this other side, so hook, when to run the code, okay? Then the accepted argument, number of arguments in your function. While the other one, priority, I will run first, then 2, 3, 10 is the default. Function, your function will run as a callable function. So this is the example of the code. Add function, admin menu, my phone, add to. So now you don't need to understand all this. When you get to that point, everything will become very easy, like everything will become clear. So guys, that will be all for now on this video. WordPress difference between action and filter. I expect to see you on the next video. Bye for now.